Hello, I'm Bobby Miles from Texas Skid Steer. Just want to show you a Mustang 2054 that we have for sale. I'm going to walk around the machine and just show you the general condition of the machine. Machine's in pretty good condition for a 2002 model. Starts right up, runs good, runs smooth, doesn't have any problems. There's not any leaks, there's not any cracks or welds. Just a good solid machine. We got it as a trade-in from a customer. There's no problems with it. Got a good smooth bucket on it. Just a good solid machine. I'm going to let my son take over the camera and I'm going to show you that it starts right up and it runs good. As you can see, it's just a good quality machine. Starts up, runs good, doesn't have any problems. You can see all our skid steer loaders for sale at texasskidsteer.com. We have a lot of them to choose from all the time. Just give us a call. We'll help you in any way we can. Thank you for listening.